locate, guide, and advise. That's Beacon Air.
Today we're going to follow the Smiths as they're guided through the airport using Beacon Air, the dynamic real-time guidance app, enhancing the passenger's experience from car park to gate and back. Before they leave home, they download the airport app to their smartphones in readiness for the journey. Part of the installation allows them to enter their name and flight number. The app will give them lots of information about the airport and what they will find when they get there. Beacon Air is a sophisticated application that can be installed on all smartphones. It uses low-energy Bluetooth beacons as location markers, so that the app can determine its exact position in the airport at all times. GPS, as used by SatNav, is also a location system. However, this requires a number of satellites to be inside of the smartphone. Therefore, it doesn't work very well indoors. BLA beacons, on the other hand, being short range, allow for the precise location of the smartphone as it passes from beacon to beacon. The airport deploy a number of beacons at strategic points, so that the smartphone app can determine its location and direction of travel. The Smith family travel to the airport and park in the long-term car park. As they approach the bus stop, the app detects the first beacon and notes the bus stop location and number to assist their return. It then indicates when the next bus is going to arrive and also how long it will take to get to the airport terminal. On arrival at the terminal, they are directed to the correct check-in desk for their flight. The app guides the family from the check-in, through security and to the departures lounge. They receive various special offers and choose one from Big's restaurant. When they make deviations from the route to visit shops or other facilities, they can use the app to guide them back to their chosen destination. The family settle themselves down in Big's restaurant for a slap-up meal. James needs the bathroom, and so he is guided to the facilities using the app. He is then guided back to his family using the location of his mum's phone. An alert from the app informs them it's time to proceed to the gate. Their plane will be boarding at gate 21 soon.
Flight MW4351 to Paris is now boarding through gate 21. Passengers on this flight are requested to proceed to gate 21, where their plane is boarding. Users of our app, Beacon Air, will receive an ETA and guidance to the gate on screen.
Although in this example we have an automated boarding call, Beacon Air is also useful at silent airports where boarding calls are not made. Under these circumstances, the app alerts passengers to their flight boarding gate and estimated time to get there, reducing number of lost passengers and improving the passenger experience. The app guides the family to the selected destination from wherever they are in the airport. One of the beauties of Beacon Air is that it can cope with the unexpected. For example, if an escalator is closed or there are queues in one area, the app can direct the passengers via an alternative route. In fact, Beacon Air itself can determine passenger queues and hold-ups. If several passengers are slow moving in one area, Beacon Air sees the bottleneck and can adjust the route accordingly. Beacon Air can be updated automatically and manually. Therefore, as with SatNav, it can dynamically adjust the route guidance given to passengers. This can be extremely useful in times of crisis, such as a bomb alert, guiding passengers away from certain areas without panic. Another example is that in times of incident, Beacon Air can guide passengers to their gates early, thus alleviating the need for gate calls from the handling agents. This can be triggered from Phonetica's lockdown feature. Once the passengers arrive safely at the gate, they sit down and await departure. The handling agents can see that the Smith family and all other app-carrying passengers have arrived in the departures gate. They can also see where any passengers are that have not arrived and how long they are likely to take to get to the gate. This is an incredibly useful facility and saves having to unload aircraft for baggage checking should passengers not arrive at the gate in time for the departure. With the guidance of Beacon Air, the handling agents were able to get all the passengers to the gate on time, making it a stress-free holiday for all. On return to the airport, the Smiths are guided from their arrival gate to the correct luggage carousel, where they collect their bags. If they have outsized baggage, they are directed to the correct location. They are guided through the airport, through passport control and back to the bus stop near where they parked their car. Phonetica's Beacon Air is fully integrated with the Phonetica automated public address system. For more information, go to www.phonetica.co.uk